There's absolutely nothing left to do but move into this meticulously cared for and updated Nature's Hideaway pool home. This home is nestled on a premium waterfront and wooded preserve lot. There's plenty of privacy and no rear neighbors. Before you even take a single step into this beautiful home, it will become obvious that this original owner has spared no expense, from the lush and manicured lawn to the recent 30-year roof. The inviting living room greets you as you enter the split-plan home with cathedral ceilings. You will immediately recognize the quality craftsmanship and material, like the high-quality Anderson plank hardwood floors and the detailed finish work of the decorative trim. A wood-burning fireplace adds the completing cozy touch. The wood floors pick up the warm glow of a lit fireplace, turning cool evenings into cozy evenings. The formal dining area has a wonderful view of the wooded preserves, waterfront, and pool. The kitchen is bright and airy and has a spacious eat-in area. This newer kitchen includes oak cabinets and quality appliances. The spacious master bedroom boasts cathedral ceilings and a generous walk-in closet. This bedroom is bathed in wonderful sunlight, let in by the high arch window, while the larger framed window provides tranquil views of the private wooded preserves. The spacious master bathroom has a double vanity and shower stall. The two guest bedrooms are generous in size, have plenty of sunlight, and are decoratively trimmed. The spacious two-car garage has plenty of room for your big toys and includes new snap lock flooring. Enjoy the private pool and heated spa, and entertain lots of envious guests on the large and recently paved pool deck and covered lanai. Privacy fence surrounds the backyard without blocking your view of the beautiful stocked waterfront and wooded preserve. What else do you want? How about new high-energy windows, new Train AC system, totally replumbed, fresh paint inside and out, new hurricane-rated double garage door, new security system, and more. The charming Nature's Hideaway community is very family-oriented and in the desirable Trinity area. Great school zone with Trinity Oaks, Seven Springs Middle, and Mitchell High. Easy commutes into Tampa and St. Pete. Call and make an appointment to see this charming Nature's Hideaway home today.